When it comes to lead generation and sales, there are huge opportunities for tools right now. Lemlist is a great one. Apollo has some great advertising and marketing campaigns. You have probably heard of Apollo, maybe not so much Lemlist. It's a little bit quieter. They're extremely powerful. And while this can sound maybe a little spammy, the way that I like to think about it is if I were to reach out to somebody on LinkedIn, I have to go into LinkedIn, I have to find them, I have to reach out, I have to make a request, I have to send a message, then I might follow up with email. And then I have to go to Gmail or Outlook, write the email, put it in my CRM, follow up the next week. Those are all acceptable actions when it comes to lead generation and when it comes to sales. So even though the tools provide a lot of power, I would say use responsibly and model it after the work that you would do. So instead of having to do all of that manually, even following up with current clients, if you're doing that manually, consider looking at these tools where you can get in and set up that sequence of events that you would do manually, but you just do it automated. It's still coming from your Gmail or your Outlook. It's still coming from your LinkedIn. You're not going out and saying, I'm going to, send this person I've never talked to 500 emails and it's a numbers game. And then that's how we're going to get them. It's literally just saving you time doing the manual work that you would have already sent out. Now, I'll give you a quick example on this one. I moved to Boulder at the beginning of the year. Instead of me spending half my day or my whole day for the first month being here in Boulder, I set up a sequence that would reach out to people that were in Boulder that owned a business, that were in business for a certain period of time, and then sent them some emails and said, hey, I just moved to Boulder looking to meet some founders in the area. Would you be open for getting coffee sometime? And I ended up with so many coffee appointments that I essentially stopped drinking coffee for like 2 months because I had my full coffee's worth at that point. But I was able to get my daily work and my normal strategic work done because this is happening behind the scenes.